Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a follow-up video looking at how the Remarkable 2 compares to A4 paper. Now, I did this recently in a previous video. I'll leave a link to that above me here and down in the description. But importantly, something I didn't cover in that video is zooming on the Remarkable 2. This is really important because it's one of the distinguishing factors that if writing in real detail is important to you, the zoom function on the Remarkable 2 might make a huge difference versus using a traditional A4 pattern paper. So from a practical perspective, I'm going to say if you want more detail of how the two compare, you can see that previous video, but I'm going to move the A4 paper out of the way, just looking at the Remarkable 2. Now, I've taken the previous stuff that I wrote and I won't go into the details of it. But if I look here, particularly at this spreadsheet here with little cells. Now I've measured the cells, they measure about 1/2 centimetre by 1/2 centimetre. And one of the questions I got was in relation to a 1/2 centimetre thickness with a 1 centimetre length. Now, if I just start here, so I'm going to start off actually with the fine liner on medium thickness. I'll just get that rid of there. And if I just start by zooming in. So this is as far as it zooms in there. And if I just show you what free drawing is like, or my lack of free drawing ability thereof. So if I write letter T here, E here, S here, and then T. Now if I zoom all the way out, you can see that that's much, much clearer. If I try and replicate that here, it is doable. Well, first of all, my box is much worse here, but T, it is much more difficult to replicate that if you're not using the zoom feature. However, if I go here, click on the thin line here, and what I'm going to do is zoom all the way back in again, and then go into as details as I can. Now, I'm going to use the, I don't have a ruler to hand, so I'm going to use the case here for the Remarkable 2. And let's, something I don't usually do, but let's get this nice and neat. So do that there. So I've seen different reviews here of how detailed now, how straight the lines are, and you can make your own mind up from it here. It seems relatively good, relatively accurate. So that's a much neater box. And if I just write T, E, S, T. Now zoom all the way out. Now you can, oh, there we go. Now you can see here there is a night and day difference between what I was able to achieve by hand. Now maybe let's do a fair comparison. Let's see if I can do it here. Just once it gets that much smaller, it's just a lot more fiddly. So I mean, I just see I haven't got the line there. I mean, I can see now why people have requested to look at the zoom, because once you're going in several times, I don't know where no way I can get it. Oh, I've done there. So it's possible to get something similar, maybe by hand, but I mean, if once you start to zoom in, that line's missed there. It doesn't look anywhere near as bad when you're zoomed out, but if you're looking for detail, being able to zoom in this close, I mean here, just taking a second to render, oh, let's get back all the way in here. I mean, the point here, so this is as close as it gets, and I can actually write the whole test word in there, so if you're looking for a way to really write in detail, to zoom in, and this is important to you, hopefully me going into more detail of this has been of use. So if you've liked this video, hit the like button. And if you like what I'm trying to put out here, the community that we're building, helping each other, learning from each other, then hit that subscribe button. I'll leave some videos around me that you might find of interest. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.